Pop Art by Warhol, Jenna Canning, Art Appreciation, Spring 2022. What is pop art? Pop art is a movement that emerged in the United Kingdom during the 50s. It presented a challenge to traditions of fine art by including imagery from popular and mass culture. It did not have a specific style, but was defined as a diverse response to the post-war era's commodity-driven values. It often used commonplace objects such as comic strips, soup cans, road signs, and hamburgers as subject matter or as part of the work. Pop art history. Pop art was born in Britain in the 1950s and made by several young subversive artists who were attracted to advertisements that depicted American mass culture and materialism. It flourished in the 1960s in America and Britain, and it drew inspiration from sources in popular and commercial culture. The first application of the term pop art occurred in discussions among artists in the Institute of Contemporary Art in London, and they called themselves the Independent Group. Andy Warhol Pop Art. In the 1960s, Warhol wanted to make a name for himself in pop art and turned away from his own blotted line technique. He created a pop art piece called Green Coca-Cola Bottles in 1962, but wasn't getting the attention he wanted. He then created Campbell's Soup in 1962. He made one canvas paintings of each of the 32 types of Campbell's soups and sold all of the paintings as a set for $1,000. Warhol's work became popular all over the world in no time. Andy Warhol's Shop Maryland's 1964 consists of 4 canvases, each a square measuring 40 inches and each consisting of a painting of Marilyn Monroe. It is also said that through Warhol's distinctive style of work, he referred to a society in which individuals were seen as mere products rather than human beings. He used the technique called screen painting to make this piece. Andy Warhol, Reigning Queens, 1985. Reigning Queens includes portraits of 4 royal figures. Warhol depicts these 4 female monarchs in their own right as powerful monarchs rather than as women who were married to a king. Warhol has incorporated abstract blocks of color that, although screen printed, appear collaged.